morning. This is call number 2020-36190 in the interest of Tyrek Gibson. All parties and witnesses, please raise your right hands to be sworn. You solemnly swear to tell the truth, the whole truth, and nothing but the truth, so help you God.
Yes.
All right, ma'am, please state your name and your relationship to the child.
Letitia Hardy, mother.
All right, and representing the state.
Kavita Sharma for the state, Your Honor.
Court will note that the non-custodial parent, Arnesta Gibson, is not present. He was personally served on October 23rd, 2020 at 4:47 p.m. at 1695 Buffalo Drive, Texas Department of Corrections, Willacy Unit in Raymondville, Willacy County, Texas. And he has not appeared or filed an answer. Is that correct, Ms. Sharma?
Correct, Your Honor.
We'll proceed by default.
Thank you. I would like to call Ms. Letitia Hardy.
All right.
Yes.
Ms. Hardy, how old is the child we're here for today?
How old is he? 5.
And who is his father?
Ernesta Gibson.
And how do you know he's the father?
He signed the ALP, and that's the only person I was with.
Thank you. And you're asking the court to establish a legal relationship between Mr. Gibson and your son, correct?
Yes.
And you would agree that joint managing conservatorship is in the best interest of your child going forward, correct?
Yes.
And you're asking the court to approve the standard possession order with geographic restrictions to Harris and surrounding counties, meaning that you would determine where the child lives in Harris and surrounding counties, correct?
Yes.
And as far as wages are concerned, we don't have determinate wages for Mr. Gibson. So you understand the court is going to use minimum wage to determine child support, correct?
Yes.
Well, he was served in when he was in the penitentiary. Is he still in the penitentiary?
He is not, Your Honor.
No.
Okay, go ahead.
And Ms. Hardy, how long has he been out from the penitentiary?
I think about 2 years.
2 years, thank you. And how is covered under health insurance?
My child has Medicaid.
And are you telling the court that you agree to maintain that health insurance for your child?
Yes.
And are you asking the court to have Mr. Gibson reimburse that at $25 a month March 1?
Yes.
And any uncovered health costs, you agree to pay half?
Yes.
And you understand that the court will order child support based on minimum wage again at $149 a month?
Yes.
And you're asking for back support for the last 2 years, beginning April 18th of 2019 until today, February 28th, 2022. Is that correct?
Yes.
Okay, wait a minute. Wasn't he in the penitentiary for a period of time there?
He had been, Judge, we have employment information for him for at least the last year. So he was out in the last 2 years.
He was served in October of 2020. That's not been 2 years yet.
Oh, yes, Judge. I'm sorry. I made a mistake. I'll make that correction. So we'll do the retroactive. We'll adjust the child support retro for the dates of January 1, 2021 until today, because we know he was released in January of 2020.
Yeah, other paper I had.
You know, he was released in January of 2020, did you say?
Yes, Judge, because I have employment information for him from those dates. Would you allow us to amend the order?
Hold on. If he was released in January of 2020, how could he have been served in October of 2020 when he was in the penitentiary?
Judge, January of 2021.
Okay, now we're talking about 2021,
yes.
Correct?
Yes, all Judge. Right. And sorry, that was a typo on my part. I will amend those dates and readjust the child support amount. So let me go back and do that, Judge.
Yeah, we'll recess until you can get me a proper order. Okay.
Sure. Thank you, Judge.
Yes.